She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hello and welcome to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make the viral GRILLO'S pickle dip that is sure to please any pickle lover and maybe even turn a few non-pickle lovers into pickle lovers. These are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make this viral GRILLO'S pickle dip. All the flavors are going to come together, you guys, to make a wonderful dip for any time and any occasion. Hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so this is the GRILLO'S pickle dip. As you can see, all of those flavors incorporated well together to make a tasty, delicious pickle dip bite. I couldn't stop eating it. It's pretty good, guys, with all the flavors. Even though you might not think pickles might go with some of the flavors that we use, definitely does, and give it a try. You won't be disappointed. So go ahead and get you some pickles and give this recipe a try. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you do enjoy pickles. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still haven't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.